The dawn of programming from zeros and ones to assembly language. Programming in its rawest form involved communicating with computers using the language they understood, binary, a system of zeros and ones. Imagine flipping switches on and off, each combination representing a specific instruction. This was the tedious and error-prone reality of early programming. Then came assembly language, a symbolic representation of machine code. While still low-level, it allowed programmers to use mnemonics instead of pure numbers, making the code slightly more human-readable. For example, instead of writing 01001001 to store a value, one could write LDA hash 41. This was a significant step, but programming remained a complex and specialized skill. The evolution of programming languages mirrored the evolution of computers themselves. As computers became more powerful, programming languages evolved to harness that power more effectively. The stage was set for a revolution, the rise of high-level programming languages. The rise of high-level languages, simplifying code, amplifying possibilities. High-level languages like Fortran, COBOL, and later C, Java, and Python emerged, abstracting away the complexities of interacting directly with hardware. These languages use syntax closer to human language, making programming accessible to a wider audience. For instance, instead of writing lines of code to manage memory allocation, programmers could now use simple commands like print or input. This shift from low-level to high-level languages marked a turning point. It allowed programmers to focus on problem-solving rather than grappling with the intricacies of hardware. This led to an explosion of software applications, transforming industries and our daily lives. The journey from punch cards to Python has been remarkable, but the evolution of programming languages is far from over. We are on the cusp of another paradigm shift, one that promises to democratize coding even further with the rise of no-code platforms and natural language programming. Beyond coding, the emergence of no-code platforms and natural language programming. Imagine creating software applications without writing a single line of code. This is the promise of no-code platforms. These platforms use visual interfaces and drag-and-drop tools, allowing anyone, regardless of their coding expertise, to build websites, apps, and automate tasks. Natural language processing, or NLP, takes this a step further. Imagine instructing a computer to build an app by simply describing what you want it to do. NLP aims to bridge the gap between human language and computer code, making programming as intuitive as conversing with a colleague. While no-code platforms and NLP are still evolving, they represent a future where programming is no longer a specialized skill, but a universally accessible tool for creation and innovation. This shift, however, necessitates a new set of skills, moving beyond syntax and into the realm of systems thinking, design thinking, and algorithmic problem solving. Skills for the future: navigating a world transformed by AI. As we enter an era where AI can generate code, the role of the programmer is evolving. The future demands individuals who can think critically, design elegant solutions, and understand the ethical implications of technology. Systems thinking will be crucial. This involves seeing the bigger picture, understanding how different parts of a system interact, and anticipating unintended consequences. Coupled with solution thinking, this empowers individuals to design holistic solutions addressing complex challenges. Algorithm design: the ability to create efficient and ethical algorithms will be paramount as AI relies heavily on their logic. Design thinking, with its human-centered approach, will ensure we build technology that serves humanity's needs while considering ethical implications. In this rapidly evolving landscape, the ability to learn, unlearn, and relearn will be the most valuable skill. Lifelong learning, fueled by curiosity and adaptability, will be the compass guiding us through the uncharted territories of the future.